who can remove a justice from the Supreme Court. The process of removing a justice from the Supreme Court is a significant and complex matter that involves several steps and key players. It is important to understand that justices of the Supreme Court serve lifetime appointments, which means they can remain in their positions until they choose to retire, resign, or pass away. However, there are circumstances under which a justice can be removed from their position. The primary method for removing a justice is through impeachment. Impeachment is a formal process that begins in the House of Representatives, which is one of the two chambers of the United States Congress. The House has the authority to bring charges against a justice, similar to how they would for a president or other federal officials. For a justice to be impeached, a simple majority vote in the House is required. Once the House votes to impeach, the process moves to the Senate, which conducts a trial to determine whether the justice should be removed from office. During this trial, senators act as jurors, and the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court presides over the proceedings. A two-thirds majority vote in the Senate is necessary to convict and remove the justice from their position. This high threshold reflects the seriousness of the action and ensures that removal is not taken lightly. It is also important to note that the grounds for impeachment are not explicitly defined in the Constitution. However, they generally include serious offenses such as treason, bribery, or other high crimes and misdemeanors. This broad language allows Congress to interpret what constitutes an impeachable offense. In addition to impeachment, there are other factors that can lead to a justice leaving the Supreme Court, such as voluntary retirement or resignation. However, these actions are not the result of a removal process initiated by Congress. In summary, the responsibility for removing a justice from the Supreme Court lies primarily with Congress, specifically through the impeachment process initiated by the House of Representatives and concluded by the Senate. This system of checks and balances is designed to uphold the integrity of the judiciary while ensuring that justices can perform their duties without fear of arbitrary removal.